Hey guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. I'm going to be making a penguin today, showing you the whole tutorial. This is the original I made. So this is what he's going to look like in the end, depending on what color you choose, obviously, or like what yarn size. This is a yarn size 5. Yeah, let's get to the video. So to start it out, you're going to be doing 8 single crochet in a magic ring. Next, do 8 increase. That is followed by a single crochet increase. And then 2 single crochet increase. If this video is going too fast for you, then just slow it down. There's that option in the settings on the video. Next up, we're doing 3 single crochet increase. Bean's trying to be the star of the show here. Okay, after that row, you're going to be doing 4 single crochet increase. In all, there's going to be 4 rounds of single crochet. It's going to be 19 single crochet, color change to your white, and then 4 single crochet, which is the white, color change that to your black, which is 5 single crochet, and then color change that back to the white, which will be 4 single crochet, and then color change it back to the black, which is 16 single crochet. So this is going to be the eye area. So then every other, you're just going to keep adding 1 white on either side. So for example, you're going to go to 18 single crochet instead of the 19. Then do your color change to your white, 6 single crochet instead of the 4. And then color change it to black, 3 single crochet, which is getting smaller since you're adding those extra 2. Then color change that back to the white, which would be 6 single crochet instead of 4. And then color change it to 15 single crochet instead of the 16. And then repeat this pattern until there's no more of the black in the middle left. And then do 2 rounds of that to make it a little longer on the sides. Okay, so you're going to change to your gray, which is what it usually is, and you're going to do 9 rounds of regular single crochet. This is when you stick in the eyes right in the middle of both the little M shapes. Next, you're going to do 4 single crochet, decrease, and that'll be 40 around. Okay, and next is 3 single crochet, decrease to make that 32. Okay, do 2 single crochet, decrease to make that 24. Don't forget to fluff that up. Then you do your single crochet, decrease to make it 18. Oh, 16, sorry. And then just do your regular rounds of decrease, which will make it 8 decrease. Feel free to cut the yarn and sew up the bottom then. We're going to go quick for the tail. It's going to be 4 single crochet in a magic ring, and then do single crochet, increase to make it 6, and then 1 round of single crochet. I didn't do as much for the video because I adjusted the pattern for fuzzy yarn, and then just sew up that tail. Next up are those feet. You're going to do it. This one's a little complicated. All in a magic ring, do a single crochet, do 2 half double crochets, 3 double crochet, 2 half double crochets, and a single crochet, which you're going to close with a slip stitch. It's going to be 9 around in all. And then do 2 single crochet, increase to make it 12. Sew those feet on. I don't like to sew the whole thing on. I like to leave a little at the top that's not, so then it like curves in a little. It makes it a little cute. Stop and go ahead and sew on that blush and the beak. The blush is optional. Last but not least, the arms. You're going to be starting with 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Do 6 increase, do a round of single crochet, do 2 single crochet, decrease, and then do a round of single crochet. Make sure to fold it flat and single crochet across, and then go ahead and sew it on to the sides. After you've done that, it's ready for the results. Here are the results. This is how many I made. So we got this one, darker gray, orange, and we got this really fuzzy one that was in the video. This yarn, oh my gosh, it was a pain in the butt to work with. Like, you can't see where you're crocheting, and it's torture, actually. It's kind of torture. But all of these are going to be sold, so look out for that. I post bi-weekly. That's everything. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.